Today is a very special day because we are passing the McDonald's. Even if you don't ever eat McDonald's in your normal life, I bet you will after you've been living in the woods for a month. Good morning. It is, I don't know what day it is, but I'm coming up on a month. So it's somewhere around 30. My allergies are not better, as you can hear. But I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't share the rest of yesterday, but we got to the lake and it ended up being too cold. So I just ate pretty quickly and then we skedaddled. And then we had a fairly uneventful night at camp. So there wasn't a lot to show. But today there is. Today is a very special day because we are passing the McDonald's. There are McDonald's nearby the trail, but I believe this is the only McDonald's on the trail, almost on the trail. And it's a very popular stop for everyone. Even if you don't ever eat McDonald's in your normal life, I bet you will after you've been living in the woods for a month. We're pretty excited about it. Some people are doing the McDonald's challenge, which is Wrightwood is like 21 miles past there, so like a day-ish. So the McDonald's challenge is that you go to McDonald's. We're trying to get there for the end of breakfast, so that we can have breakfast and then order lunch, and then you pack McDonald's until Wrightwood. So you pack enough McDonald's for the next day and a half, and it doesn't go bad. So for better or worse, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I don't know if there's enough vegetarian stuff. I could do a lot of breakfast stuff and hash browns and french fries. What a nutritious day. But it's 1.5 days. It might be fun. I don't know. We'll see. But I got 6 miles. I'm gonna try to pound them out as fast as I can. I'm hungry. Blowing in. Not sure what that's going to be like. Hopefully it's not raining. We're here, Underpasses. McDonald's. We're getting all the things at McDonald's. We're really stressed about outlets, so we don't need to charge our batteries, our literal batteries. And we're renewed so far outside, but it's not allowed. So it's crazy. This freeway is so loud. I haven't been around that kind of like city noise in a while. It's kind of weird how kind of aggressive it is almost. I buy it for you, and it's gonna be weird. And it's just the start. This couple just came in here. They had started the trail, but something happened. They had to get off trail. They didn't say what. And so they knew this would be a place where a lot of hikers would come. So they dropped off a bunch of their resupply food. Like vultures. Hello. Hey, if you are sitting there thinking, oh, I want to travel more, I want to go on more adventures, come with me. I host trips around the world. We've been hiking in Patagonia. We went looking for the Northern Lights in Iceland, trekking in Nepal, camping in Banff, Canada, in the Canadian Rockies. We do it all, and we have a real good time. Everyone's welcome, and all the details for any current trips, just click that little bubble up in the top corner, or go to my website, jjb.life/travel. And we almost always make at least one group cringy TikTok. So come hang out with us. We're a real good time. Oh, it was amazing. I've never been that excited to go to McDonald's. What did I have? Well, I started, first of all, the beverages. I had a Coke, a large orange juice, a large iced coffee, 2 hash browns, and an egg and cheese biscuit. And for the McDonald's challenge, we're gonna get to Wrightwood tomorrow afternoon, early afternoon, noonish. So I didn't eat a ton. And since I don't eat meat, I did breakfast because there's not a lot of non-meat lunch and dinner options. So I got 3 egg and cheese bagels and 4 hash browns. So I think that should get me to Wrightwood. Worst case scenario, I have plenty of other food, so I'm not gonna starve. But you know, we're trying to do that challenge. Some people already dropped. Some people, I think, when it got down to it, and they're like, oh, I'm gonna have to eat this chicken sandwich 5 times in the next 24 hours. Some people bailed, but there's a few of us doing it. We'll see how it lasts. I'm pretty sure there's so many preservatives, it's not gonna go bad. I think it's gonna be fine. We got an Airbnb in Wrightwood. Close call. We booked it, we were so excited, but then the host message was like, hey, we're having plumbing problems, we're gonna have to cancel your reservation. And we were like, no, it's Memorial Day weekend. So things are pretty full. And we're like, no, please no, what's wrong? We're like, is it just a sink or a toilet? Like, we're fine. Just one toilet is totally fine. We'll do anything. Turns out the plumbing work is actually outside. She just felt bad having that done while we were there, and we were like, we could not possibly care less. We could not possibly care less. We care about laundry, toilets, and showers, and beds. That's, ooh. Ugh. I think the trail goes under a creepy underpass. I don't know why they're inherently creepy, aren't they? And where is everyone? Why does everyone disappear too when I'm going through this creepy underpass? This is how horror movies happen. It's always the devilishly handsome, charming gay one who gets killed first. It's alright, you're an adult, grown man. Go in here. Okay, there's nothing about this that I find appealing. This is so creepy. So creepy. Wet. This is creepy as hell. we're maybe a little bit lost. Is he just taken out into the bushes?
We don't know where the trail is.
Oh, it's that. He's right. It goes. Oh. At some point we have to get under the highway, but how?
We don't know the highway yet.
I think we... maybe.
That was the highway back there.
Our group just saw a mountain lion and 2 cubs, like right here. So we're just being loud as we go through. They don't want anything to do with us, as long as we don't surprise them. And honestly, the thing is, if a cougar is like stalking you, you're not gonna know it. They're so stealthy, you are never gonna know it. By the time you know it, it's too late. But that doesn't happen. They have no business with humans. Oh, dang. I love a ridge walk. Want to watch another video? Click here. Want to learn more about my upcoming trips? Click here. Want to subscribe and like all my videos and turn those bell notifications on?